Okay, what the fuck is that? Why do I hear taps on a Saturday night? Okay, that's about fucking weird. Alright then. Fucking freaky shit.